a one-pot dish which is called chicken rice. Very easy to cook. Let's start the recipe. I have taken half kg of boneless chicken. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of curd, salt, half spoon red chili powder, 1/4 spoon turmeric powder, cumin seed powder, 1 spoon ginger garlic paste. Marinate it. Give it a nice massage and we will keep it aside for at least half an hour. Now prick the chicken with the fork so that all the marination seeps in the chicken. I have taken 1.5 glass of basmati rice. Dip it, wash it properly and dip it for at least 20 minutes. We'll saute our onions. I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of clarified butter. You can take the refined oil. Bay leaf, star anise, black pepper, 3 to 4, 2 cloves, cumin seeds. Cook them few seconds, let them infuse their flavor. Cinnamon stick. I'll take 2 sliced onions. We'll cook them until they turn golden brown. Cook them until they change the color, turn golden brown. The onions have started turning golden brown. Now we will add our cooked chicken to it. Take around 2 tablespoons of oil. Place the chicken in the pan. Cook it for 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. The chicken has been cooked properly. Switch off the flame. Now we'll add it to the onion. We'll be adding chicken to the onions. Scrap all the masala, the marination. It has all the flavor in it. Cook it. Now we'll add 1 spoon of coriander powder, half spoon of garam masala. Lokman, rice de do. Add a sip of water. I'll be adding 2 whole chilies, slit it. I'll be adding 75 ml of coconut milk to it. Stir it. Keep stirring it. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now we'll be adding fresh mint leaves, fresh coriander. We'll be adding salt to it as we added coconut milk, and we'll be adding rice also. So we'll be adding a little more salt. See the perfect color and texture. Chicken has been cooked properly with the coconut milk. Now we'll add the rice. I have taken 1.5 cup of rice. Mix it well. Mix it with light hand. I'll be taking 3 glasses of water. Give it a fine stir. Sprinkle red chili powder on top. Little garam masala. Fresh coriander. Fresh mint leaves. Cover it, cook it for 5 minutes on high flame and then lower the flame and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. Let's check the chicken and rice. Amazing. The one pot dish is ready. See the texture of the rice. Perfectly done. Soft. Cover it, switch off the flame, let it rest for 10 minutes and then serve. Let's do the plating of chicken rice. It has an amazing flavor of coconut milk in it with fresh coriander. Fresh coriander on top. Our one pot dish chicken rice is ready to serve. Our one pot dish chicken and rice is ready to serve. Serve it with mint sauce, and if you like the recipe, like, share and subscribe. And for any query, DM me at my Instagram handle Priyanka underscore Bhatia. Do try the dish. It's really yummy, quick and easy. Enjoy.